Hi. So today we'll discuss about a new update that has came in NeoDove regarding the lead duplicacy. Okay. So basically, previously, as we know, that we can set up the lead duplicacy, but as per the campaign level. But on a global level, we were not able to find the duplicate leads, and that was a big challenge that we are having, right? So we have understood the problem, we have understood this pain particularly to all of the customers and all of the users as well. So accordingly, what we have done is so as we all know that NeoDove is always there to support all our customers, right? So in order to solve this particular issue, our our tech team has came up with a new solution that is the global lead duplicacy setting. Okay, now we got a new update and we got this particular feature where if we set it up, then we would be able to check the lead duplicacy on a completely account level, a completely global level. So we need to understand that how to do it and how to set it up. Okay. So initially, as we know it, that in order to log in through the admin credentials, what we need to do, we need the admin credentials. We need to log in to our connect.neurop.com, and automatically the first screen which will appear, that is the screen as the admin portal, the dashboard. Now over here, if we need to set up the lead duplicacy should be on a global level. So that means if any of the lead is present in any of the campaign, then in not then that particular lead can't be added in any other campaign at all. That means the global level lead duplicacy. So the system will check the lead duplicacy on a completely account level. Okay, if a lead is present in any of the campaign, it can't be added in other campaign at all. Okay, so now in order to set it up, what we need to do, in the bottom left corner there's a settings option. So we need to click on it. Once we click on the settings option, at the top there's a second option is preference. Once we go to preference, we can see at the top there's the lead duplicacy setting. Once we click on this drop down, we can see there are two options: global lead duplicacy setting and campaign wise lead duplicacy setting. So the campaign wise lead duplicacy setting is the simple one that we were already having it. So previously we used to have it as a default itself. That is on a whenever we used to create a campaign, at that point of time we need to specify the lead duplicacy, that how the system should check the lead duplicates. Okay, but here there's the new option, the main thing, that is this global lead duplicacy setting. Once we click on this option, there's an option called if duplicate found. If we click on this select, then it shows you the action buttons, that what to do. If if we are selecting as global lead duplicacy setting and a duplicate is found across any of the campaigns, then what the system will do? It should ignore, merge, create, or merge and reopen proceeds. So simply what we can do is we should ignore it, obviously. So we can simply ignore it. And if you want to merge it, we can merge it as well. So that whenever whatever the lead that is present in the existing campaign, in that particular campaign only, if you want to check the details, over there we'll be able to check it, that if any time a lead is tried to be added but was not able to, it's been failed in the other campaign, but in the same campaign where the lead is already present, there in the details it will show that this lead was again tried to add. Okay, so I can just use whatever the action I wanted. So initially we can do it as ignore duplicate. So if the duplicates is found, it should not get added. That's the main agenda. So basically, if I'm running a sales team, if a person is already speaking to a particular lead, that particular person should not get added in any of the other campaign to any of the other people, or else a clash can happen, right? Then after that, there's another option called additional settings. If I click on it, over here, the system is asking you that lead duplicacy should be checked against primary number or alternate number. Okay, so I can choose both the options. Okay, even I can choose any of the only on the primary number as well. Okay, so as we can see, this primary number option uh, is by default it's been selected, and the alternate number is an optional. Okay, simply what we do is previously the lead duplicacy was only be checked on the primary number itself. Okay, but we came with another option, that is alternate number. Okay, the primary number lead duplicacy, so your system will obviously check on the basis of primary number. If we want that in any of the lead, if the alternate number is also there, and as per the alternate number also the lead duplicacy get checked, so I can simply click on this and I can click on save. So whatever the leads details I'll upload it as it on the data, In that data, if there is a column called alternate number as well, so the system will check both the columns, the primary number also and the alternate number also. So in whatever the leads, the primary number and alternate number is there. So the system will check both the columns, and if there are any duplicates found as per the primary number or alternate number, okay, the system will simply disallow it to update, to add it, and as per the action button, whatever the action I'll choose, the system will do accordingly. If I choose as ignore, then the duplicates will get ignored automatically. If in case there is a lead whose alternate number is getting matched with a new lead or new lead number, then automatically it will get ignored. And if I select on merge, it will get merged with the existing lead itself. It won't get added in the different other campaign. Okay. So this is the global lead duplicacy setting, and the campaign wise lead duplicacy setting is the same as we were having it earlier. But yes, as on our additional settings, we have this option as well. That is alternate number, the same thing. Okay. Previously, we used to check on the basis of primary number itself. We were not having any like any option previously to check on the alternate number, but we have got it now. So on a campaign, if I want that on a particular campaign level, the lead duplicacy setting should be different, that we can do it. Okay, that we can do it at the time of creation of campaign. And if I want to check it, if I want to check the dual duplicacy on the basis of alternate number also, that also can be selected over here. Okay, and just we need to click on save. That's it. Then the particular lead duplicacy settings will get saved from the admin level, and accordingly at the time of creation of campaign, we can like set up the particular lead duplicacy part, whatever we want to. So yes, I believe that's all about the new updates regarding the lead duplicacy settings that we have got it. So yeah, thank you very much.